Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on because it's been a long time since I've been doing some videos because it's been crazy busy. I just recently got a great deal of information, kind of quickly put this together so I would share with you. Of course, I'm sure some of you have heard that the Fed is going to be reducing interest rates because they're hitting their target rate for inflation, and that's a good thing. Here's kind of what you see for mortgage rate predictions. You can see where we are in orange. Different forecasts all have them going down somewhat, which is really good news. Timing the market is really impossible. I love this quote. If you're always waiting for the perfect market conditions, you're going to be waiting forever. So only buy if it's a good idea for you. Is the market balancing? You see a lot of different reports. Obviously, every realtor will tell you it's all about local, hyper local, even sometimes down to your subdivision and like the schools and the amenities and what's going on. Nationally, the numbers are showing that the market is balancing. Stick with me because I'm going to show you what's happening locally in a second. Typically, what defines a balanced market is a general housing market with 5 to 7 months of supply could be described as a balanced market between buyers and sellers. That means supply that could take almost 6 months for a home to be on the market, and it's taking into consideration how many homes are entering the market and how fast those homes are selling. So that's a term us realtors like to use as month supply. 5 to 7 months of supply, which a couple years ago we were down to like a week or two of month supply. That is a huge change. And I love this graph because it pretty much breaks it down for you. From 2006 there in the blue all the way, we are definitely buyer's market. And then it totally came down to the land of the crazy the past 3 to 4 years where everything was selling insanely over list price and gone in a day. And we were waiving inspections, all sorts of craziness. Up to today, we're coming back up on a national level to a more balanced market. Homes are sitting on the market a bit longer and sellers are receiving fewer offers. More buyers are insisting on home inspections and appraisals, and inventory is definitely rising on a national basis. See here the days on market. August was on average 53 on a national level. Here in the Charlotte area, we're about 26 to 30 days on market, depending, of course, on where the house is and its location. And then here's my graph. Ta-da. If you look where I circled in yellow, in August, this is comparing this year to last year in 2023. Last year in August, sellers were getting 98% of their list price, whereas now it's 96.6. And last year in August, the month supply of inventory is 1.7 months, and now we're at 2.6 months. Clearly, we are nowhere near the national average. However, to homeowners and to agents, it's still like a complete shock. Like what is going on? Because we were so used to everything being just going so fast. Sellers are receiving fewer offers. So the number of offers received last year in 2023, the average was 3. Now it's down to 2.7. Again, not like anything earth shattering, but still it has changed. Inventory is unsold inventory of existing homes is at the current sales pace. When inventory rises faster than the demand, prices have to adjust eventually. If our inventory is going up, then that is a sign that things are starting to balance out. The price reductions from, let's go back just to the beginning of this year, and now look at where we are now. Those prices are coming down on a national level. The second yellow circle, this is just a snapshot. So when I log in for the Charlotte region, just the Charlotte region, 338 homes had a price decrease today, but we had 318 new listings hit the market. So you have new homes and then 338 of them just lowered their price. That is really showing you we haven't seen that in a long time. Very interesting. The faster housing market supply increases, obviously the more affordability improves and the strength of the seller's market wanes. Which markets right now? Depending on who you are and where you live, the states, a lot in Florida are hurting right now, and seller's markets. So the seller's market's going strong. North Carolina is not on that list, but you can see New York, Hartford, Connecticut, San Jose, California, San Francisco. Whether you're selling your home, this is for Freddie Mac, whether you're selling your home in a buyer's market or a seller's market, you should work closely with your real estate agent to find the best way to market and sell your home. And I think that's a hard thing right now is because homes that even sold in May or June in someone's neighborhood, now your home may be selling for less because of what's going on. And that brings us to, ta-da, pricing it right. Home price right are selling very quickly, but homes priced too high are deterring prospective buyers. And this is why pricing your home right from the beginning is so important. I love this little chart. You have the market value, and then if you go over that value, it's going to sit on the market longer. It's going to deter potential buyers, and price drops only send the wrong message. when it comes to pricing your home, selling at market value will increase the visit. And this is why pricing your home right really matters. If you sell it at market value, it's going to increase the visibility of your listing and drive more buyers your way. But strategically actually increases the number of buyers who will see your home in their search process. And I love this one from US News. Setting an unrealistic high price with the idea that you could come down later doesn't work in real estate. A home that is overpriced in the beginning tends to stay on the market longer, even after the price is cut, because buyers think something is wrong with it. If you want to sell your home for top dollar, please be realistic about the value of your property and how buyers will see it. If you've overpriced your home, chances are you'll eventually need to lower the number, but the peak period of activity of that new listing experience is already gone. So in closing, national news is not local. We are seeing some changes here in the Charlotte area. And I think it really comes down to seeing what's going to happen this next week if rates come down and what really happens. We're not a balanced market like the national report states, but we are trending that way. And us agents here in Charlotte, at least the ones I speak to, we're all like, this is just a weird market. Yes, some homes are still selling super quick if they're in those really hot, desirable areas or neighborhoods and they're priced right from the beginning. They don't have any quirky attributes, obviously, that a buyer is going to have to work through. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to talk to you. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, and comment below. Thanks.